This is the video review for another LEGO Beyblade. This is Hurricane Chimera. Now, it is a balance type. Now you see it's actually thicker than the rest of them that I've made so far for the customizable system. The colors are black, clear blue, and purple. And the only metal that it has is on these two sides because it's so really thick it doesn't really need much metal. It does have a small gimmick in that these parts can shift up and down mid-battle to kind of give smash attack or upper attack. Let's go ahead and just take a look at all the parts separately. So here we have the Chimera spin chip. It's just plain purple. Nothing special about it. Here's the Chimera attack ring. Sorry about my voice. Let's go ahead and weigh that. It is 57 grams. That's pretty heavy. And we have the Hurricane layer base. It has the 4 big attack points. And that's pretty much it for it. It's really wide. And then there's the driver's switch, which actually has 2 modes. First mode is defense, like this. And then the change of mode, you just take the tip off and flip it upside down. And there's attack mode, and now it has a free spinning thing like destroy. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get it assembled again. And all together, it weighs 76 grams. That is really heavy for a LEGO base. I don't have any of the other base here because, like I said, I'm still moving. But it's still interchangeable with all the rest of them because it does have a flat base. But yep, that's about it for my review of Hurricane Chimera. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to check out the Amino post about it. And thank you for watching.